Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can upload videos on YouTube. This video is a complete tutorial that will give you the step-by-step process on how you can upload videos on YouTube easily. So guys, make sure you watch to the end of this video, and also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, there are two things you must have in your phone for you to actually upload a video on YouTube successfully. The first one is YouTube app. You must make sure you have a YouTube app in your phone, and for you to actually get it, you have to go over to your Play Store or you go over to your App Store, then you search for YouTube. Let me go over to my Play Store. All you have to do is to go there and search for YouTube. You can see it. That's the logo of the YouTube app. You can see it at the top there is red and white. All you have to do is to download and install it into your phone. The second thing that you need to have again is YouTube App Studio, YouTube Studio. All you have to do is to search within your App Store or your Play Store for YouTube Studio. So let me search for it. So guys can see it there. That's the second option. Let me tap on it. So guys, this is what the YouTube Studio looks like. All you have to do is to download and install this into your phone. So guys, once you're done having these two apps, let's get started. So guys, the first step now is to open your YouTube app, the one you've downloaded and installed. Let me tap on my YouTube app to open it. So guys, I'm on my YouTube app now. The first step that you have to take is to make sure that you're logged in into the Google account you used in opening your YouTube channel. You can see I'm already logged in into you can see my profile icon at the top right corner. So guys, the next step that you have to take in order to upload a video on YouTube is to tap on the plus icon. You can see it there below. All you have to do is to tap on it. So guys can see here they have so many options there. The first one, create a short. The second one, upload a video. The third one, go live. And the fourth one, create a post. The one that you have to tap on is upload a video, which is the second option. So let me tap on it. So guys can see now it has taken us to our gallery. This is where you're going to choose the video that you actually want to upload on YouTube. So let me go ahead to select the one I want to upload. Sorry for that guys, I had to reduce the volume. So guys, I've chosen the video I want to upload. This is the video. So all I have to do now is to tap on next. So guys, over here you can actually do so many things. The first one I'm going to show you is to add your title. Let me add my title. So guys, I've added my title. The second thing that you can do is to add your description. You can see where it is written description. Tap on it. So guys, let me go ahead to paste my description. So guys can see here is my description. Over here in the description box, you're allowed to put a description that is up to 5,000 words. You can see it there below. So guys, once you're done adding your description, you go back. Okay guys, you can also add this to a playlist. You can see where it is written add to playlist. If I want to add it to my playlist, I'll tap on the plus icon. I'll tap on it. Then you can see here these are the list of the playlists I have in my YouTube channel. So guys, let me choose the YouTube tutorial playlist, which is at the top. So let me tap on it. And I tap on done. So guys, the next thing you can actually do is to choose your visibility. As you can see, mine is on private. Let me tap on it. You can see it there. You can either choose to put it on public, or you put it on unlisted, or you put it on private, but I want to put it on private so that only me will be able to see it at this time. So guys, you can see that mine is on private, and that's for a reason. I would advise you to leave yours on private. You can later make it public later. So guys, that's it for the visibility. So guys, the next thing now you can actually edit is your location. You can tap on it. You can actually search your location, but I don't want to add my location. So guys, the next thing you can do here is to allow remixing of your video. If you want people to use your video to make shorts on YouTube, all you have to do is to tap on allow. You can see where it is written short remixing. Tap on it. Then you tap on allow video and audio remixing. So guys, that's it for short remixing. And also you can actually edit your comments. You can see the comment section. All you have to do is to tap on it. If you want them to allow all comments, all you have to do is to tap on the first option. If you want them to hold inappropriate comments, you tap on the second section. So guys, that's it for the comments. So guys, the last thing you can do here is to upload your thumbnail. You can see the image icon at the top of the video. You can see it there. All you have to do is to tap on it. So guys, you can see it has taken us to our gallery. All you have to do is to locate the image that I want to use as your thumbnail. Let me look for mine. I want to use this one over here. Done. So guys, you can see now I've uploaded my thumbnail. So guys, all you have to do now is to tap on upload. When you tap on upload, the video will be uploaded to your YouTube channel. So let me tap on upload right away. So guys, you can see uploading to your videos. Our videos is being uploaded. You can see the icon below. This is so awesome. You can also check out the video while it's uploading. If you want to do that, you type on the library icon. You can see it there at the bottom right corner. You tap on it. So guys, you can see here your videos, one uploading. If you want to see the video uploading, you tap on it. So guys, you can see now the video is uploading, is 9% uploaded. They said about 4 minutes remaining. So guys, in 4 minutes our video will be fully uploaded. So guys, once your video is fully uploaded on YouTube, the next step that you have to take now is to go over to your YouTube Studio, the second app I told you that you have to download from your App Store or your Play Store. So guys, let me go over to my YouTube Studio. Let me tap on it. So guys, you can see my YouTube Studio is opening up. Wow guys, this is the YouTube Studio of my YouTube channel. You can see this is what the YouTube Studio interface looks like. So guys, for you to actually see the video that you've uploaded, all you have to do is to tap on where it is written content. You can see the content icon, the video icon there. That's the second video from the left. You tap on it. So guys, you can see the video there at the top, how to update Android apps on your phone. Guys, you can either tap on the video to open it up, or you can tap on the 3 horizontal dots at the right corner. You can see there just next to the title of the video. You can see there. Let me tap on it. So guys, you can see now we have so many options here. All you have to do now is to tap on edit video. Let me tap on it. So guys, you can see it has opened up. So guys, this is where you can actually add more stuff into uploading your video. You can see where it is written more options. All you have to do is to tap on it. So guys, now you can see that you can actually add tags to your video. These tags will enable people to see your video when they search for it. So let me go ahead to add my tags. Let me tap on it. You can see there at the top. Tap on it. You're going to add tags that are related to the topic of your video. So let me add mine. How to update apps on your phone. Let me add another one. How to update Android app on Play Store. So guys, you can see this is how you actually add tags. You can also choose the category of this video. You can see where it is written category. You tap on it. You can see these are the categories you can put your video under. Is it under autos and vehicles? Is it under comedy, education, entertainment, gaming, how-to, music, politics and news, people and blogs, pets and animals, science and technology, sports, travel, and the rest of them? But I'm going to leave mine as how-to, because this video is about how to do things, how to update apps on Android. So guys, let me leave it at that. So guys, once you're done with all of these settings, you go back. So guys, now you have to make the final step, which is to make your video public. For you to do that, you have to tap on the visibility icon. You can see it there. As you can see there, is at private, because while uploading the video then I told you guys to leave it as private, because you come to this YouTube Studio to add some additional things. That's the reason why I told you guys to leave it at private. So now let's make it public. All you have to do is to tap on the visibility icon. Tap on it. You can see guys, you have so many options: public, unlisted and private. So guys, let me put it on public. Let me tap on public. Then I go back. So guys, all you have to do now is to tap on save at the top right corner. You can see it there. Tap on it. So guys, immediately all that you've added is saved. Your video is already public already. You can see it there, public. This video is public, so everyone now on YouTube can actually see this video. They can actually watch the video. Your subscribers can actually watch the video and comment and like and share. So guys, immediately all you've added is saved. Your video is already public. If you tap on the YouTube icon there at the top right corner, you'll be able to watch the video. So guys, let me tap on it so I show you guys what I mean. You can see now it's redirecting us back to YouTube. Wow guys, you can see this is the video is already playing. So guys, this is how you can easily and quickly upload videos on YouTube. So guys, I believe you've got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.